Good morning, student. Today I will start the lesson number 1, computer networking. Before that, I will inform you. In the previous video, I told some information about hardware. Hardware classified into two parts: input device and output device. This all information I told in the previous video. Today I will start the chapter number 1, computer networking. Computer networking means the features that allow you to share your work with one person or many people is known as networking. How is networking possible? Students, what mode is used to transfer the information? Well, in network you will able to share the information via the internet, email, chat, video conference, and so on. In this chapter, let's learn more about computer networking. I think many students know about the computer networking. All the computers will connect together in networking. How is a computer network connected with another computer in a network? A computer network is usually identified as a group of computers that are interconnected in such a way that information is shared between them by the users. There is a wide variety of networks and the advantages mainly depends upon the type of network. Means computer networking is a very important part to share the different type of informations and some type of videos, text and software also. See in the diagram, laptop, mobile and different type of device will connected to the one central processing unit, one CPU. That is the computer networking is there. Now see, switch is connected to the client computer, wireless device, printer and server. That is the internet connectivity is there. Now students, let will see the advantage of computer networking. Easy and quick communication, ability to share the files, data, information, ability to share the hardware, ability to share the softwares, security and speed. These are the different type of advantage, and with the advantage it is possible to share the different type of concept in our computer field. Now see the first point, ability to share the files and data, information, sharing the files, setting up the internet, collaborative. Computer networking allow the file sharings and remote file access. This is the most important advantages there. File sharing, resource sharing, communication, that is the also important part. There are three types of networking cables based on the type of cable and used material network cable, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optical cable. Now let's we learn about twisted pair cable. This type of cable used in home and corporative network. Twisted pair cable are further classified: shielded twisted pair cable, unshielded twisted pair cable and foiled twisted pair cable. Shielded twisted pair cable are used to prevent the electromagnetic induction, as the twisted pair cable are shielded and a safe conducting path is provided. Now let's see unshielded twisted pair cable. Unshielded twisted pair cable are used to avoid the crosstalk and electromagnetic induction. Now see foil twisted pair cable. This is one important cable. Foil twisted pair cable are used to provide the insulations. And now see fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable consists of central glass core surrounded by the many layers of protective material. And last cable, coaxial cable. The coaxial cable was invented by Oliver scientist. The coaxial cable different from other shielded cable which are used for carrying the signals. This type of cable is used for transmitting the radio frequency signal. It is used to connect the receivers with the antennas. These are the important cable which is used in our computer.